Some of y'all Instagram hoes, y'all need to get the fuck on my YouTube. Y'all using my YouTube to trick off with that nasty ass Boski. I believe. Y'all Instagram, some of y'all Instagram hoes, y'all using my YouTube to trick off with that no good stacking that Boski. Like, what makes y'all dumb ass do that? Don't y'all know that Boski got AIDS and you know clout and dope. So I'ma just true about y'all maggot that hoe. Boski double y'all up. Y'all on dope. Just dope head that hoe. Look, Boski, now he getting y'all something, but y'all making that hoe. They keep flying up that no good that man. He dope. I'ma tell you truth. Y'all ratchet that hoe. He getting Boski sexual favors in exchange for dope. Y'all ratchet ass. Some of y'all ratchet ass Instagram hoe. Again, Boski sexual favors in exchange for dope. Dope head that bitch.